Welcome to Pip Insight. Monday the 13th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, pound dollar, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, dollar Canada, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to work through this morning. Gold is sitting at $4,069 as London prepares to open, and the structure is leaning bearish. Both the 4-hour and 1-hour timeframes are showing a clear downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, with price well below the 4-hour EMA20 at $4,108 and EMA50 at $4,112. Those moving averages are now acting as overhead resistance, and the MACD histogram is expanding on the negative side, suggesting the selling pressure isn't exhausted yet. On the 15-minute chart, we've seen a modest bounce off the Asian session low at $4,057, but that recovery looks tentative. Price is already struggling around $4,069 to $4,081. The key reference points for this session are the $4,058 low to the downside, with a clean break there opening a path toward the $4,032 to $4,044 support zone. To the upside, the $4,080 pivot is the immediate gauge, and above that, the $4,090 to $4,102 band is the first meaningful resistance ceiling to reclaim. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is relatively quiet for gold. We have Fed speakers Bowman and Waller both due, and while neither event is flagged as high impact, any hawkish commentary could strengthen the dollar and add fresh headwinds for gold. No major data catalyst to flip the tone today. Watch for $1,058 and $4,080, those two levels will tell the story this session. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.142 and 1.1434. Support is marked between 1.1385 and 1.1395. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3422 and 1.3495. Support is marked between 1.336 and 1.33695. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8106 and 0.8112. Support is marked between 0.8078 and 0.8088. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.579 and 0.5794. Support is marked between 0.5749 and 0.5754. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.417 and 1.4175. Support is marked between 1.412 and 1.4135. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 217.28 and 217.38. Support is marked between 216.45 and 216.56. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.